Good morning, everyone. I am Johera Lumapakpia, and this is my partner.
Tasmera R. Buisan.
Our topic for today is all about the standardized recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions for making a food dish from various ingredients. When a recipe is one in which the amounts and proportions in the ingredients and the methods of procedure will consistently produce a high-quality product, it becomes a standardized recipe. And a recipe has two important parts. This is the two important parts of recipe. Number 1, a list of ingredients. This is the most important because kapag tayo ay gagawa ng recipe is kailangan ng ingredients na kung saan yun talaga yung hinahalo natin. Number 2, a description of the method for putting them together. And then yes, importante din yon. Principles to be followed in recipe constructions. Good recipes are constructed not only to obtain a good product but also to be sure of an efficient and orderly procedure that will minimize the time of preparation. Here are the certain principles to follow. So we have 12 principles to follow. There are the list of principles to follow. Number 1, the recipe should be simple, easy to read, and interesting the reader. So, kailangan din natin na pag tayo gagawa ng recipe is kailangan nakaka-interest siya and then madaling maintindihan. Huwag din siya masyadong mahaba para di din maboboard yung magbabasa. Like pag magsusulat ka ganon is parang madali lang niyang maintindihan. Like ganun po. And number 2, the ingredients should be listed in the order they are to be used. And then, kailangan pag gagawa din tayo ng ingredients is kailangan magkakasunod-sunod para hindi palpak yung paggawa natin ng recipe. Like, ganon. Number 3, exact measurement should be indicate if possible. Abbreviation should be avoided. This is the example. For example, 1 half cup chopped onion, not 1.2 2.c onion chop. Kailangan din natin itama yung mga measurements kasi pag nagkamali, wala, palpak na naman. Like, ganon. Number 4, descriptive terms should be placed before the ingredients if the process is to be carried out before measurements. For example, 2 cups sifted flour. If process is carried out after measurements, the terms are placed under the ingredients. For example, 2 cups flour sifted. Number 5, whenever possible, it is desirable to use simple measurements. Yes, kailangan din natin gumawa ng mga ganun. Kailangan simpleng pag-measure lang. This is the simple measurements. They have 3 simple measurements na nakalagay dito. So, sasabihin ko. Number 1, fractional measurements in a cup, 1 half, 1/4, and 1/3 cup. Weight or uncooked meat, poultry, fish. 1/2 kilo, 4 pieces, etc. And measure and weight of canned packaged products, 5 oz canned tomato sauce, 1 box of cheese. Number 6, specify the particular type of ingredients to be used. Thus of cake flour is the preferred ingredients. Specify as 2 cups cake flour instead of 2 cups flour. Number 7, use the generic names of ingredients rather than the brand names. Yes, kailangan din yon para madali lang natin maintindihan or like di tayo madaling malito sa paggamit ng mga ingredients. Number 8, short and clear sentence that give the necessary information help to make direction understandable. Number 9, use the precise term to describe a cooking process or preparation method. Do not say mix when you mean fold or beat para di masira naman yung ginagawa nating recipe. Number 10. Specify the size of the baking pan or utensils needed. State clearly how preparation should be made. For example, oiling, greasing, seasoning with wax paper. Number 11. State information regarding temperature and cooking time to ensure successful results. A statement to describe the stage most helpful. For example, bake for 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit until it is golden brown. In the last one, every recipe should indicate its yield in terms of average servings. And that are the 12 principles to be followed in the recipe constructions. So, this is the sample of recipe. Fish cabeche. So, ilalagay ko dito yung sample ng ingredients and how to cook fish cabeche. So, everyone, I'll give 2 questions. Number 1, give an example of recipe. This is equivalent of 5 points. Number 2, what is the 2 important part of recipe? 5 points din to. If nakinig kayo, alam nyo kung anong isasagot dito sa 2 important part of recipe. And that's all. Thank you.